Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 26 May and today's video topic is the linked list in collection. So let's see what is linked list. Firstly we see what is collection because the linked list is part of the collection. So collection is a single entity in which we can store the multiple data. Then what is collection framework? The collection framework, it is a set of predefined classes and interfaces in which we can store the multiple data, means collection framework. In that, firstly, there is iterable interface, and iterable is the root of all the classes of the collection interface and all the classes of collection interface implemented by the iterable interface. So collection interface is a child interface of iterable interface. Then in that also below that also three interfaces: list, set, queue and queue. First is a list. In list there is a linear data structure. In that list is a interface. In that element are stored index based method, and it perform many operation. It maintain the insertion order and it can also have the duplicate element. So that is interface, list interface. And the list in the linked list is a class. The linked list, it is a class, and it implement the list interface. So now we see the what is linked list. The linked list means the linked list it is a linear data structure, and the linked list, in that the element are not stored in sequentially order in the computer memory, but the element are stored in the randomly, means but they are linked with each other with the help of address. So that is the linked list. In linked list there is one element address is the stored in the first element. In that connection, means in between the two element there is a connection. First element contain the address of the next element, and they all are connected with each other with the help of link. Okay, then next is in there are different type of linked list in Java. Sorry, in collection. First is singly linked list, then is a doubly linked list, and third is a circular linked list. First is a singly linked list. In singly linked list there is one way chain, means element are traverse only the one direction, means singly linked list. In the doubly linked list there is two-way chain, means element are stored in the forward direction and also backward direction. So that is the doubly linked list. Then next is the circular linked list. In circular linked list there is circular structure, means the last element contains link of the first element at the next, and the first element contain link of the last element at the previous. So that is the circular linked list. So that these are the type of linked list. Then in that there are in linked list there are many method, like add all method, add all method, add the all element in the another list. Then size method is used to check size of that linked list. And also content method, the content method is used to check the element are present in that linked list or not. Then another is a get method, set method. So there is many method in linked list. So next we see what is the difference between linked list, array list and linked list. In array list are sequential and linked list are not sequential. And in array there is a linear data structure. In linked list there is linear data structure, also non-linear data structure. Then the array list is better for storing and access, and the linked list is better for manipulation. So that is the difference between array list and linked list. So that's all about the linked list in Java. Thank you.